Hello everyone, I have notes for page 631, 1 through 6. We'll be simplifying radical expressions. Okay, square root of 18. That is equal to the square root. So I'm going to list all the factors, or the prime factorization of 18. The prime factorization of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Notice that I have a pair of 3's. I pull out the 3 as 1, 3 root 2, okay? When you have a pair of 3's, they come out in front, and then the 2 will remain inside because it's all alone. Okay, so when you have a pair, it comes out as 1, and whatever's left stays inside. That's the answer. Okay, 3 times the square root of 25. That is the same thing as 3 times 5. The square root of 25 is 5. 3 times 5, that is, 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times the square root of 16. Okay, the square root of 16 is 4. That is the same thing as 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Square root of 10 times the square root of 22. So we're going to write out the prime factorization of each of these. That is 2 times 5. Okay, square root of 2 times 5. Times the square root of 2 times 11. Now we can rewrite this. It is a rule. We can rewrite this as a single square root of 2 times 5 times 2 times 11. Now notice we have a pair of 2's. So we can pull a pair of 2's out front. It's going to be 2 times the square root of 5 times 11. Notice there's going to be a 5 and an 11 left. One last step to simplify. This is 2 times the square root of 55. Okay, just multiply the 5 and 11 to get 55. The 2 stays out front. Next one, square root of 5 times the square root of 50. Okay, we're going to rewrite this 50 and as 5 times 10. Okay, we can still simplify the 10 or factor the 10. This is the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 times 5 times 2. So notice we have a pair of 5's here. So we can pull a 5 out. We have the square root of 5 times 5 root 2. This square root of 5 times this square root of 2 is 10. So we have 5 root 10 as an answer. 5 root 10, because we do the square root of 5 times the square root of 2, that is the square root of 10. This 5 stays out front. Next one here, 3 times the square root of 5 times 4 times the square root of 5. Okay, square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is 5. So what we really have here is 3 times 4 times 5. What I did was I did the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 and got 5. Now 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60.